I came just to see all the people that I haven't seen.
Right, exactly. I'll be out of here in an hour. I'm just saying hello to everybody. Okay, I'm good. Good to see you. What's happening, man? You too. Here we are. Here we are.
Oh my God, it's been so long. Thank you, man. It's been so long since I've seen you. Oh, shit. Keep behind you. Not on you.
Hi, look here. Gonna take your picture.
Hello.
Say hi. Look at the camera.
Get a picture.
Oh no.
Let's just our generator. In case you guys.
Nice car. Beautiful. Monkey. Thanks for coming. Hey, wait. Good to see you, man. They wanted to vote up a 1 3/4%, and I wanted 100% because if you go back 37 years, the Fed has a 2% inflation metric that has been consistent. So if you haven't gotten a raise, a cost of living raise, it should be 37 times 2. You know, because it's at 2%.
Right.
So it's 74%.
Our cost of living just does very slowly while everything else goes.
But if our employer contribution caps weren't raised in 38 years in 2017, it should have been at 74%. Now it's 42 years. It should be up 84% plus the 6.5 and the 7% in inflation in the last 2 years.
If you want to go back to the bar we went to. What up, dude? Like straight? Yeah, well, you can sleep. Okay. But you have to clean up at each aid station. If you don't make it, you're done. Oh my God. You get up to 114 miles.
We are live at the Stuntman motorcycle ride. I think it's the first time I've heard you saying that this is probably the fastest bike I ever been on.
This is the best bike I've ever.
Yeah, the RS Flow is quick as hell, yeah. Same with the V60 as well.
And his one is like has a fucking blue flame coming out of the pipe.
Yeah.
And just before we get to the 101, we're going to take that side road that goes up to Universal Studios, if you guys know where that is. So we'll start going up the side road to Universal Studios. We're going to go to where everybody drops off their kids for their guests. We'll do a loop through there. We'll come right back to the same street. We'll make a right. Basically, you guys just follow the leader. But the main area that we're trying to get is these 3 studios up here, and then we're going to still hit another 7 locations. One of them is Hollywood Boulevard, Man Chinese Theater.